Welcome to Alxmo Tech. Today we are going to see how to download YouTube music. Okay, now let's go into the video. Go to browser. Search for YouTube Advanced. Link the first link. Download it. App. Now click Let's get started. If you don't have YouTube also, you can keep both ticked or untick which you don't want. Click the non-root. First install Advanced Micro G. Now download the YouTube Music Advanced. Wait until it downloads all. Don't close the app. Go to Advanced Micro G. Allow all permissions. Click Sign In, and click Add Account. Now enter email and password. Now you have to remove this notification. Click on it. Scroll down. Now click the Advanced tab. And now select Not Allowed. Repeat it for all. Now restart the mobile. If it still shows that notification, watch the video carefully. There is another method. For this you can use G-Space or Dualspace. I have linked the video how to download them. Click on AR services. Go back. Search for YouTube Music. Download it. Open it. You can see it is same as before. Now hold on it. Click Create Shortcut. Click Add. Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video.